quick video on comments. I'm gonna try to make this under 2 minutes. So comments in Java and in any programming language is basically just like comment in life, where you comment on a response, for example, in a classroom environment. That's basically what you're doing. But in programming, a comment is basically, for example, you could use it to comment on a certain part of your code that might be confusing for another programmer, or you could use it to write your name out and introduce yourself at the top of the program. There's different purposes for comments in programming languages. Let's jump over to the IDE to look at the different types of comments and how they work essentially, and how we can use them.
All right, so the two important things that we're going to be going over, and they're pretty quick, is first we're going to be going over single line comments and multi-line comments. So the way we do single line comment is we basically do double forward slash. So double forward slash, and then we could just say this is a single line comment. This is a single line comment, and it's indicated by 2 forward slashes. Now, in order to do that's all for a single line comment. Now we're going to be going over multi-line comments, which means comments that take up more than one line in your program. So the way we do this is / asterisk, and after we have that, we give some comment, and a few lines later, we may have to make sure that we end with asterisk / So on line 3, we can say this is a multi-line comment. So this is a multi-line comment, and it's that simple. To summarize really fast, a single line comment only takes up one line comment, which is indicated by 2 forward slash. For a multi-line comment, which means you're using more than one line for your comment, we start off with / asterisk, and at the end of our multi-line comment, we have to make sure we end with asterisk / and that's basically it for comments. And one important thing I want to point out is that comments are actually ignored in Java, which means our program won't actually consider these comments when you're running our programs. They're only there to help make it clear for other programmers or other people reading our code to really understand what a certain part of our program does. And that's pretty much it for comments. Thanks.